Opening market. Ayun na. Wait lang. Wala pa tayong entry. Nasa no trade range area pa lang tayo. Let's see. Wala pang trade, wala pang trade. Etok dasal, guys. Oh. Wait lang. $30 profit. $30 profit, guys. Nag-break yung zone natin. Yung arrow, nakikita nyo? Ayan. Secure profit, secure profits. Uy, tumulo pa, B. Ay! Uy! Paldo! Tumulo pa. First entry sell. It was a good sell. Good sell, good sell. Sheesh! Ay, grabe. Grabe. Grabe naman yun. Sheesh. Tumutulo pa, tumutulo pa. Hindi na mag-entry, huwag ka nang umabol. Ito naman. Grabe naman yun. 30 profits, $30 profit, but it was a good